flames raged high. Used to act so tough,
Stay out of my way. I'm winning this thing.
Good. Please, by all means.
Yeah. You were burning like a summer, crazy like a fox.
That's
You hit
the
harder
thing.
than a drummer, like a wave on the rocks. You could play me like the lotto, you were playing the pot. There ain't nobody could tame you in your wild heart. Yeah.
That's for everything.
You used to be the girl that could light up a room, and with the flip of a switch, I bet you still do. You would leave a trail of danger, yeah, wherever you go, and no matter where it led me, I would follow. Yeah. Yeah. You were beautiful in blue jeans, holes in the knees. You were smoking like a cigarette, I couldn't breathe. Used to rock around the ballroom, dance on the bar, baby. Nobody could tame you in your wild heart. Take me back to those barefoot
I know what you're trying to do,
summers. Take me back.
and I appreciate it. Really.
Remember when we said don't let go till we die?
Hiccup, that's amazing!
To that fire in your eyes, 'cause I know it ain't gone too far. Take me back to you and to your wild heart. Yeah, to your wild heart.
But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Got me. It's time everyone knew. Drag me back. Go ahead. Here we go. Ow! You just scared him.
I scared him?
Just let me show you.
Don't you let it die.
Please, Astrid.
Take me back to those barefoot summer nights. Take me back.
Anything you want to talk about?
See that? Classic passive-aggressive move.
You should quit now before it's too late. Da-da-da, we're dead. Not like you. You know exactly who you are. You always have, but you're still looking.
This is pretty cool. It's amazing.
I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.